Hey, what up guys? It's Richie here at AutoLabPro. Alright, today, well on this video, we might have two videos today, but on this video particularly, we have a 2008 Mercedes-Benz ML350. Alright. (2008). Alright. ML350. Basically, this is a quick video. Oh, look at this. So if you ever need to jump one of these cars, let me show you where that is. The locations to jump are under the hood, underneath this red cap's your positive connection, and then right here, that's your negative. Keep those clean, or clean those when you get a chance. All right, again, 08 ML 350. All right, so I got to change the battery in this truck. I might have mentioned that. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you where the battery is. First thing you want to do, take that passenger seat, move it up as far as you can. Okay. All right. Then, when you do that, that's going to give you access to the battery. You see that? Let me get a light. See that? There's your battery right underneath that seat. Okay. It's tight. It's a little tricky to get out of there, but you can get it out of there. Two things I'm just going to tell you before you pull that battery out of there. Make sure you have on some safety glasses and make sure you have on some gloves. That battery might be leaking, and you don't want anything to, in case you drop it, you don't want anything to splash up in your face. All right. Now, let me just tell you what you're going to need for that. A 10mm for the battery terminals, flashlight, a 13mm socket. This is a 3/8 drive extension on there. You're gonna need a panel popper or a screwdriver. And it's good to have a magnet. This is my old magnet. Okay, so the 13mm, okay, first, the 10mm is for the battery terminals. 13mm is for the bracket. The extension is because when you go to take this battery out of here, right down here are 13mm that are on a bracket. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can adjust this. See him in there? Hopefully you can see him. All right, so you want to take that extension and your 13mm, and you're gonna use that to take those nuts off, and then take that bracket out. Once that bracket is out of there, and your terminals are loose on your battery, you lift the connections off. Always lift off the negative first. Oh, and it's good if you get yourself like a rag, so this way you can wrap up the negative while you're shifting that battery around. Okay, so get yourself a rag, wrap up the negative, remove the negative first, wrap it up, move that battery close to you, and take the positive off. Obviously, pull that battery out of there. Install it in reverse. Be careful, have fun, keep turning wrenches. This is Richie at AutoLabPro. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.